Starting a YouTube channel is one of the best decisions that I've done in my life. I haven't had a job for over 8 years now because this is my income. And one controversial opinion I have though about starting a YouTube channel is that first you should tell as little people as possible, especially keep quiet to people who are not supportive. Many people say tell as many people as possible about it to keep you accountable, but this can actually backfire. By the end of this video, you'll know why keeping your channel under the radar can actually accelerate growth and confidence, and how to do it strategically. A mistake most creators do is they seek validation, especially from their close friends and family, before their channel is ready, before they've seen any type of success. And let's face it, our parents are from a different generation, and most people are not YouTubers. It's not a common profession. And also there's a lot of jealous people out there as well who wants to put you down, consciously or unconsciously. So without further ado, here are 3 reasons why you should not tell people about your YouTube channel yet. Reason number 1 is to protect your energy. When I first started out on YouTube, I was so low confident. I felt fear and doubt creep in every time I posted a video. And when I posted my first video, I actually deleted it because I just felt so self-conscious. And in my program, Nomad Freedom Academy, I noticed the same thing. So many people have resistance to creating YouTube videos and they want to start out making blog posts. It feels safer. And I completely get it because it was the same for me. I was blogging the first few years because I was too scared to go on camera. Imagine if you have all this doubt yourself, and on top of that, your friends, your families, your loved ones feel the same. And now you just start doubting yourself and might just go back to your comfortable old ways, which your ego likes, the job that feels safe but doesn't fulfill you, and yet then years later you'll regret that you didn't start. Energy experts say that external pressure can block creativity and flow. So keep your early content private or share only with a trusted circle that supports you. Reason number 2 is because you can experiment without fear. Luckily, when I started out, my family wasn't on YouTube really, and I didn't have many friends. So I felt like I can experiment so much on this platform. While on Instagram and Facebook, I knew that like my family, my extended family, like they would all be there. So I was too scared to post that. But on YouTube, I felt safe. Okay, I can experiment. So I tried different formats, topics, and styles, and this experimentation revealed my unique voice. And you might be super sure of your niche now, but as you post more videos, you will see which ones do better, which ones are more fun to make, and your niche will kind of be molded along the way, along the journey. So don't be afraid to experiment. Reason number 3 is build momentum privately. By keeping my channel low-key, I built confidence, skills, and a small library of content before officially sharing it with friends and family. And when I did go public about it, growth accelerated because I had clarity and momentum. And you can batch these content before you even post your first YouTube video if you haven't started your channel yet. And this will also help yourself, because in the beginning it can be really disheartening when you take a long time making a video and scheduling it only to get a few views. But if you have, let's say, batched 10 videos and then scheduled them, then you know that even if it's really low in the beginning, you have it done. You have a big batch of content ready to go live. And if you want to become a full-time creator and not having to rely on a job, then I'd love to have you in Nomad Freedom Academy. There you'll get all the templates, coaching, all the good stuff, so you can accelerate your journey towards financial and location independence. Book a free clarity call, link in the description. Remember, your channel is yours to grow in alignment with your vision, so don't let outside noise steal your focus. Next up, watch my video on best business models for spiritual people, a link in the description. Because YouTube videos are great to monetize, you don't only get AdSense, but you can also sell your products to your audience. Let me know in the comments if you have a YouTube channel already or are thinking of starting on. Love you and see you in the next episode.